This is a final video to fix a dead Lian Li 217 INF fan hub in your new PC build. Are you struggling with your fans not spinning or your RGB lights staying off? This usually happens because the hub doesn't get proper power or the signal from your motherboard is interrupted. Most guides online are long, confusing, and full of extra steps that waste your time. On Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that gets your fan hub working instantly without needing extra tools or complicated settings. All you need to do is check the power connection and reset the hub in a specific order, and your fans will start running like new. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it. So comment below and I'll cover everything in detail.